100 men. That's how many Thorfinn Karlsefni killed before age 17. Fueled by hate, he was the perfect Viking weapon until he realized true strength isn't in taking life, but in protecting it. In a world drowning in chaos, Vinland Saga isn't just an anime. It's a masterclass in mastering peace. And today, you'll learn 5 battle-tested steps to build yours. Thorfinn didn't ignore his anger. He redirected it into building a future. His goal wasn't to be peaceful. It was to build Vinland, a tangible mission. Write down one non-negotiable purpose, bigger than your triggers, and carry it everywhere. Write it on a card or set it as your phone lock screen. Violence isn't just physical. It's the words you snap, the grudges you keep. When insulted or provoked, Thorfinn walks away. You can't always walk away, but you can pause. Breathe in 5 seconds, hold for 5, and out 5. Ask yourself, will this serve my Vinland? Einar saw Thorfinn's pain behind his rage, and he listened first. He didn't fight Thorfinn's anger. He acknowledged it. In conflict, try to understand other person's perspective. Ask yourself, what pain might they be carrying? Listen 2 times longer than you speak. Thorfinn worked hard in the farm daily. He rebuilt his body, not for war, but for creation. Consistent practice rewires the brain for calm. Incorporate this easy 10-minute ritual in your daily routine. Do any physical activity for about 3 minutes to build discipline under stress. Perform any mental activity like meditation for about 4 minutes. You can use free apps like Insight Timer. Journal your thoughts for 3 minutes to develop emotional intelligence and stability. Askeladd whispered poison into young Thorfinn's ear. Askeladd fed Thorfinn's hate because broken warriors are easier to control. Social media algorithms, gossips, doom scrolling, they all are doing the same thing. They are the reason depression is at an all-time high today. Swap these toxic fuels with peace fuels. Listen to nature sounds and inspiring podcasts. Thorfinn's Vinland wasn't found on a map. It was built, breath by breath, choice by choice. You won't master peace in a day, but start today. Pick one step. Define your Vinland. Take the 5 breaths. Your war ends now. What's your Vinland? Type it below and like and subscribe.